All right, so so for this sprinkler head right here, I'm gonna just lop it off, right? Because when this goes over here, it's going to hit my pull-up bar and my gazebo, and we don't want that. So instead, I'm going to install a hose connector. One second. A hose connector, so that I could just put a hose on it and then water the plants that way. I'm sorry, I have hiccups. So I'm going to document the process and show you guys. I'm not quite sure that this is going to work. This is, I mean, it should work. Why would it not? But I'm assuming that this is for, whoa, what does that do? Oh no. I don't know what that does. And now it's locked in. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what that does. But I'm going to try this for PVC. I know this is not a PVC cutter, but it should work. Why would it not, you know? It's a blade on it. But we'll try it. And then we could use this sprinkler head for something else too, because I have one sprinkler that's back there, or that's back there, that is back there, that is broken, and I didn't have any other sprinklers, so I was gonna go buy some. But I have one right here, and I'm leaving myself enough room. I probably could have done this a little higher up. Yeah. See, that's the problem that I thought. This blade is too small. So instead, it's just compressing the whole pipe, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to bust the pipe open. So I'm going to try it again. See if we can't get deeper. See how it's just... Oh, this whole thing is busted off. You might not even have to do this at all. It doesn't look like it's threaded. Yeah, that's not threaded at all. We're gonna have to take this post out or unscrew this right here. Yeah, so let me go do that. Okay, so let's see if this works. I swear I just felt rain. They're all rusted anyway, so it's probably a good thing that I'm doing this. There's a lot of step in this. All right, now let's see if we can just twist this off. Just like that. Now all I need is a connector piece, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so no female, but I did find the PVC cutter, so I'm just gonna lop this thing off right here. Like that. And then we have a bullshit piece that I'm probably gonna throw away. No, I'm probably gonna keep it, honestly. So now all we have to do is just put this sucker right on there. So this is gonna go like right here. Just like that. So let me go get the glue and stuff. All right, what I got is primer, PVC primer, and then PVC glue. No, I'm just gonna prime the thing, prime the end piece, stick it on there, and call it good. Prime the end. Glue up the middle, just like that. Or I mean, you know what I mean. Real good luck. And bam. Sometime tomorrow we should have a fully functioning faucet. Cool, huh?